Welcome. Today, we master the processes that build our world, from the skyscrapers above us to the machines that drive our industry. While often used interchangeably, fabrication and welding are distinct steps. Fabrication creates the structure, welding joins it all together. Fabrication involves cutting, bending, and profiling raw metals like steel and aluminum into functional components. Welding uses intense heat to melt base materials, creating a permanent, high-strength bond between metal parts. Our craft dates back to ancient civilizations, where blacksmiths laid the foundation for modern metalworking using fire and hammers. The Industrial Revolution demanded stronger joints, leading to the birth of modern electric arc and gas welding techniques. Today, we integrate CNC machines, lasers, and robotics to achieve unprecedented speed and accuracy in fabrication. In this certification course, we will cover safety protocols, diverse welding methods, and advanced fabrication workflows. TIG welding offers the highest quality for thin materials, requiring a high level of skill to manage the tungsten electrode. MIG welding uses a continuous wire feed, making it a fast and efficient choice for high-volume manufacturing. For excellent metal penetration and outdoor applications, flux cord welding is the professional's go-to method. SMA-ABO, or stick welding, remains one of the most widely used processes, protecting the weld from oxidation with a flux coating. Choosing the right process depends on the material. We'll help you master the nuances of stainless steel, aluminum, and more. Understand your power. Higher voltage allows for thicker penetration, while lower voltage is perfect for delicate, thin materials. Safety is our absolute priority. Proper gear and ventilation are non-negotiable for a professional welder. A perfect weld starts with a clean surface. Removing dirt and oil prevents contamination and weld failure. Properly installed consumables ensure good conductivity and prevent accidents during the welding process. Stay comfortable. An ergonomically organized workspace reduces fatigue and greatly improves the quality of your craft. Metal fabrication is everywhere, from the smallest paper clip to the structural beams in your home. In the professional world, you will build the heavy-gauge structures that support municipal water systems and massive stadiums. Welding and fabrication support global economic development and provide a path to highly skilled, high-paying employment. Our curriculum includes practical video lectures and detailed booklets prepared by industry experts from the SIT faculty. Earn your professional certificate upon completion to prove your expertise in the industrial world. Join the ranks of the builders. Your industrial career starts here. Enroll today.